Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The best strategy involves introducing the isopropyl group first as a directing group, then introducing the nitrile via a diazonium intermediate. Step-by-step reasoning for option C. Moving on to the next step. Benzene plus CH3 to CHCl, UlCl3 isopropylbenzene, cumene, via Friedel-Crafts alkylation. The isopropyl group is an ortho-para director. Moving on to the next step. HNO3, H2SO4 nitration of isopropylbenzene. The isopropyl group directs the nitro group predominantly to the para position, giving 4-isopropylnitrobenzene. And for the final step, Fe, HCl reduction of the nitro group to an amino group, giving 4-isopropylaniline. Nano 2-HCl, cold, diazotization of the amine to form the diazonium salt, 4-isopropylbenzenediazonium chloride. KCN-Sandmeyer type reaction, or simply reaction with KCN-CuCN, replacing the diazonium group with CN, giving 4-isopropylbenzonitrile. Why other options fail? Option A. Direct bromination followed by KCN substitution on aryl bromide is not straightforward under simple conditions. Nucleophilic aromatic substitution with KCN on aryl bromides requires harsh conditions and does not selectively give nitrile. Also, bromination would give a mixture of ortho-para products. Option B. Steps 4 and 5 use NaOH followed by nano to HCl H2O, which would convert the diazonium to a phenol, reaction with water, not a nitrile. Option D. Starting with nitration first, then Friedel-Crafts alkylation is problematic because the nitro group is a strong deactivator and metadirector, and Friedel-Crafts reactions do not work well on deactivated rings. Additionally, Step 5 uses CuCN, Sandmeyer, which could work, but the overall sequence is flawed due to the ordering issue. Option C is the best and most reliable sequence, Friedel-Crafts alkylation paranitration, directed by isopropyl, reduction to amine diazotization replacement with CN via KCN. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.